The importance of soft skills in project management. We will discuss the importance of soft skills in project management and how they contribute to the overall success of a project. Soft skills in project management. Communication. Effective communication is key to ensuring that all team members are on the same page and understand their roles and responsibilities. Leadership. Leadership skills are essential for guiding and motivating team members towards a common goal. A project manager who can effectively lead and inspire their team is more likely to achieve project success. Teamwork. Collaboration and teamwork are crucial in project management as projects often require input from multiple team members with diverse skill sets. Adaptability. Project managers need to be adaptable and flexible in the face of changing circumstances or unexpected challenges. The role of soft skills in project success. Soft skills play a vital role in ensuring project success as they enable project managers to navigate complex project environments, build strong relationships with stakeholders, and effectively manage project teams. The ability to communicate effectively, lead with confidence, and collaborate with team members are all essential soft skills that contribute to the overall success of a project. Conclusion. In conclusion, soft skills are essential in project management as they enable project managers to effectively lead teams, communicate with stakeholders, and solve problems in a timely manner.